The Detroit Pistons off to a nice start this season. And Andre Drummond, he had a rebounding clinic, 21 boards in this one. He had 14 points. He did miss 7 free throws, though. He was 0 of 7, but he's still shooting 75% on the season. So he's making gains, and look at that putback. That was an awkward landing. When we look at the replay, he's going to get hit in the face, leans back properly, but then he bumps into the legs. Nothing happened there, though, so that's good. Nothing bad, no injury. Al Jefferson throws down a flush. Into the fourth quarter we go, and it's Victor Oladipo getting rejected by Drummond. And he's going to get another putback. He loves to clean up that mess. That was a crazy acrobatic layup. He said, it's all good. I got your back. Now on the pick and roll. What a pass and what a slam. Through the legs, Reggie Jackson. Are you serious? Pistons 8-3.
I'm DJ. This is my shoe, and I'll buy the pair for him. It's all good, all right?
You're gonna buy these shoes for me?
Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah, I got you.
This is the greatest day of my life. I mean, everything was going great, and then I go.
Look what my character got.